Hello guys, so welcome back to Lounge Learning, welcome back to Sepedi Lessons channel. So this is day 12 of 21 day Sepedi challenge. So today we're going to be looking at months of the year in Sepedi language. So today we're going to be doing questions and answer sessions. So I'm going to be displaying multiple choices to choose from on the screen, and please choose the correct answer. So without the waste of time, let's get right in with our today's video. So the first one we have January. So what you call a January in Sepedi? Is it A, Pherekgong, B, Moranang, C, Mopitlwe? What is the correct answer? So the correct answer is A, Pherekgong. January is called Pherekgong in Sepedi. So the next one we have February. So what is a February in Sepedi? Is it A, Moranang, B, Dibokwane, C, Hlakola? So the correct answer is B, Dibokwane. February is called Dibokwane. So the next one we have March. So what is March in Sepedi? Is it A, Hlakola, B, Moranang, C, Mopitlwe? So the correct answer is A, Hlakola. March is called Hlakola. March is called Hlakola. So the next one we have April. So what is April in Sepedi? Is it A, Moranang, B, Mopitlwe, C, Phupu? So the correct answer is A, Moranang. April is called Moranang in Sepedi. So the next one we have May. What is May in Sepedi? Is it A, Mopitlwe, B, Phupu, C, Phatwe? So the correct answer is A, Mopitlwe. May is called Mopitlwe in Sepedi. So the next one we have June. What is June called in Sepedi? Is it A, Phupu, B, Phatwe, C, Ngwatobošego? So here we have two correct answers. A and C are both correct. You can either say Phupu or Ngwatobošego. So the next one we have July. So what is July in Sepedi? Is it A, Phupu, B, Mosegamane, C, Phatwe? So the correct answer here is B, Mosegamane. July is called Mosegamane in Sepedi. So the next one we have August. So what is August in Sepedi? Is it A, Phatwe, B, Phupu, C, Lwedi? So the correct answer is A, Phatwe. August is called Phatwe in Sepedi. So the next one we have September. So what is September in Sepedi? Is it A, Moranang, B, Lwedi, C, Dibatsela? So the correct answer here is B, Lwedi. The correct answer here is B, Lwedi. September is called Lwedi. September is called Lwedi in Sepedi. So the next one we have October. So what is October in Sepedi language? Is it A, Diphalane, B, Lwedi, C, Dibatsela? So the correct answer here is A, Diphalane. October is called Diphalane. So the next one we have November. So what is November called in Sepedi? Is it A, Lwedi, B, Dibatsela, C, Diphalane? So the correct answer is B, Dibatsela. November is called Dibatsela in Sepedi language. So the last one we have December. So what is December in Sepedi? Is it A, Manthole, B, Lwedi, C, Dibatsela? So the correct answer is A, Manthole. December is called Manthole in Sepedi. December is called Manthole in Sepedi. So that's it for our day 12 of 21 day Sepedi challenge. I hope you found this video helpful and